Hey, and welcome to my first devlog on YouTube. The reason that I want to try doing devlogs is because every time I start a new project, after a couple of weeks, I lose interest because I'm not motivated enough. So I thought that this might help me to stay motivated and get feedback from people watching, because I really want to learn more about game developing and maybe even work with it professionally one day. So let's get into the devlog. So the game that I will develop in these series is a simple city creator, city builder, um, inspired by city skylines mostly, I think. Um, so the main concept is basically to have cars driving around and being able to build houses with different functionalities. Also, probably making money and maybe having factories and offices and so on. And as you can see here, I managed to get the cars working alright, and they adapt if you change the roads, so they will find their own way. The way I did this was to have the cars have a queue, so each time they drive onto a new tile, new road tile, they will get points from that tile and add them to a queue. So this way they are not affected if a road is removed or anything, because they still have their queues. So the next thing that I did was to create houses or buildings. For now, there are only 2 buildings because I'm lazy and haven't had the time to model more houses, but I will do that shortly. You can also change the levels or the amount of stories on the building, which is pretty cool, I think. And this will later have effect on how many residents can live in the house and so on. But for now, it only affects how much the building costs. There are also canals that you can build, which I think looks really cool. I'm also going to create boats driving in the canal. Driving is maybe not the word, you know what I mean? I also did some simple UI. I know it's really simple for now, but I think it looks pretty okay. I will of course develop it more so that it has more functionality and so on. I think that's it. I think that covers the whole thing for now. So I guess I will update you when I have something to show. But as I said, I will work on making more models and developing the UI and introducing more money and residents working, maybe, so on. So I will get back to you when there are progress. Thank you for watching. Also, if you have any feedback or just wants to talk to me for some reason, add me on Discord. Yeah, thank you.